Our trip to Namibia is coming to an end. What will happen on our last day here?
So we're going kayaking with the seals today.
Oh! Little by little they start approaching. The seals are pretty curious. Some seals that even climb onto the kayaks. 30% of the baby seals will just naturally die. The jackals are more than happy.
Today we are seeing some seals and some jackals.
If you guys have watched our previous videos, you know we didn't quite make to the seal colony the first time, so we tried again, and this time we are kayaking.
We came to a different place, so we're going kayaking with the seals today.
It will be fun.
Before we get there, we have to drive for 40 minutes through lots of sand, seawater and jackals, all the way to the Cape Seal Colony at the tip of Pelican Point. The drive there is very pleasant and our guide made it fun for everybody.
Question is, how deep can it go, huh?
It's an everyday surprise.
So every day is like, yay, I made it again.
Yep, exactly. That's why we run on empty, because we don't want to waste that input if we're not going to make it anyway.
This old lighthouse was built in 1932. Today it goes by the name of Pelican Point Lodge, and you can rent rooms with beautiful views and breakfast included. As we get closer to the seal colony, we start to see some jackals. Scavenging on some dead seals.
We are going to eat the seal.
Only younger jackals walk in groups. When they get older, they find their partner for life.
Hello? Hello?
See all the babies. That's so cute.
Apparently, if we need the toilet here, there's a fake bush that's been put up for the women, and the guys can find a tree to go behind. So where's those trees?
Find a mirage.
A mirage of a tree.
Just in case. I like preparing for the cases. It's your first time kayaking, Steven.
No. Is this yours?
Yes!
We move.
No, stop it. So right there we can see a lot of seals. That's a dead one. Oh, that's not dead. Oh my god! Wow, look at those little babies. This one doesn't do About 30% of the baby seals, they will just naturally die. Sometimes it happens because the mother spends about 2 days out fishing and they are just hungry and they end up dying. The jackals are more than happy.
The jackals have these really, really nice shiny coats, and the omega-3 from the seals does them real good. Speaking of seals' coats, apparently the difference between a sea lion and a seal is the seals are a lot more furry. They have 8,000 hairs per square centimeter. Sea lions have a lot more fat than seals.
Wow, they are thousands and thousands of seals. The seals are pretty curious, especially the young ones. They watch us. Little by little, they start approaching. There are some seals that even climb onto the kayaks to take some pictures. Every now and then you will see some seals jumping. You need to pay close attention because they really can look like dolphins the way they go like this. Huh? These ones are approaching us, eh?
Wow, those big adults are really huge. Sometimes you see the adults popping out of the water and I hope that doesn't come near me.
But they actually go to the kayaks, hey Steve, usually, because they're curious.
So the seals have a dark fur when they're younger and they get lighter when they get older, apparently.
Yeah, so the babies will be pretty black. They're very curious. They have been watching us for a little while now. Oh, 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 oh. There are many different spots where the seals gather. So that's what we're doing. We're going from spot to spot and just stopping and watching them. Just for you to have an idea how close we are. Let me zoom out. You see, we're very close to them. That is too cute for my heart. Don't bump. Yeah. Yeah, I think you are. They sound very bad.
Sounds like sheep, for sure.
Steven. I'm wet! Ah! We had a real blast seeing the seals, we had breakfast now, but it's time to drive back because we have a flight to catch. We're going back to South Africa today.
Thanks, Paddy. There we go. So.
Oh my!
Wow. So it was a lion cub, was it?
Yeah, like
wow. And did you get scratched or?
Bitten.
Oh. Oh.
Ow.
Ow. Ah.
Oh.
That's
alive.
She was the smallest in our group, so it's the life fun.
Yeah, they go for the smallest.
Oh, they go for the smallest.
Yeah, they play with each other like this.
Yeah.
So, but we are humans and then you get the scratch.
And you played a little rough.
Yeah. It was my fault because I wanted to play with this.
So you're the first person we've met that has got bitten by a lion. So
And survived.
very cool.
And it's a cool story.
It's a very cool story.
I can show my scar and she's like, oh, this is a lion scar.
Very cool. Very cool. Some traffic.
we are checked in to go back to Cape Town. The airport here is very small. There are only 2 planes that come and go every day here. One is from Cape Town and back, and the other one is from Johannesburg and back. It's the cute little
It
airport.
drops people off and it picks people up.
And go. And then the airport closes at 5. We are walking to the plane, and we really have to walk under the hot sun.
There is a desert out there.
So that's the same plane as before. We will never forget Namibia, its desert, the people, and the experiences we had here. We are grateful you could explore this country with us and discover different things together. You can always watch the full playlist again if you come back to our channel, as well as our other playlists around the world. We see you again in the next video in South Africa. Keep well, God bless, and welcome to Africa.